to try to break the habit, I changed my mind. Now I can have it. Make me feel alive. I've got nothing to I went insane trying to forget, but I hate myself now that I still want it, and I wasted my time. Must be